All right, so you have a warrant for your arrest for assault. I guess it was a Class C assault out of my agency.
Friday, January 3rd, 2025 in Humble, Texas. Officer was on patrol when he spotted a vehicle with illegal window tint. A routine traffic stop quickly took a turn when a records check revealed the driver, Jayron Shayne Williams, had an active warrant for his arrest. What started as a simple stop was about to become much more serious. Would you have expected this outcome from just a tint violation? Let's take a closer look.
Montague, Womble Police Department. Reason for the stop today is your illegal window tint and your vehicle shows not to have any insurance on it. Go ahead and roll this window up a couple inches for me, please. That's good right there. So 4% light visibility is all it's getting through. It does have to be at least 25% of light visibility. So that is illegal window tint. Also, the insurance. Do you have your insurance and proof of financial responsibility?
No, sir. The call out I got this from, they were supposed to send me some paperwork, but he tried to explain it to me like it's an insurance through them, that it won't come with a car, that I'll have to go get somebody else.
That's gap insurance. That does not meet the state minimum requirement for
No, not gap insurance. It's gap insurance, and then it's a different insurance. Like, it's two different insurances with them.
Okay.
But he was still saying that I had to get another insurance though.
Yeah, you have to get the state minimum requirement for liability insurance. You got your driver's license or ID on you?
Yes, sir. I got to report this real quick.
You got a what now?
I got to report this for DoorDash because I'm picking up somebody's order.
Okay.
So I got to report it.
Right on, deal. (4610-1351) 4610-1351. So, is there a reason why you don't have your seatbelt on today?
Because I just jumped in the car from Specs, picking up the other order right here.
Okay.
It's the same person.
So you're just telling them you're delayed or something?
I'm trying to, because usually, one time I was stopped at a gas station and they said, and it had a thing to show if you got pulled over. I'm just looking for it.
Come out here for a second for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Put it up there.
That's what I'm looking for.
Give me your hands behind your back, please. He's in custody, 10-minute record. All right, so you have a warrant for your arrest for assault. I guess it was a Class C assault out of my agency. So you are under arrest at this time. Also, your vehicle is going to get towed either way because you didn't have insurance on it. And your vehicle reeks of weed. And that's probably why right there.
There's a way I could call my mama and tell her to get my phone.
No, your phone's going to go with you, bud. You got any more weed on you?
Yeah, that's it right there.
Don't worry about that. I ain't worried about that shit. We'll just stomp that out. Come over here. I'm gonna put this in here. You want to take them for me?
The officer found a loaded firearm in Jayron Williams' vehicle and never mentioned it to the cop. Do you think it was a mistake or he thought the cop wouldn't find out?
Run a CCH for possession of a firearm.
What's my name?
You planning on telling me that you had a gun back there or what?
I thought you were going to ask if I had something.
29 for serial number. It's gonna be a Glock 23, 40 caliber, Boy Young Zebra 898. Boy Young Zebra 898. You got somebody come pick that up?
My car or my gun?
Your gun.
I can have my mama come.
All right, you can load it. Make sure you're not missing any damage on this thing. Yeah, right there.
Damn door has been out on it.
A little bit, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like I've looked at other ones. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if it was because I watched where he kicked it. And he didn't really kick it in that corner very much.
I thought he kicked it right in the middle, did he? Right on the
Yeah,
bars.
he kicked it on the bars, but I don't know, man.
I was like, damn. Kind of figured he might have broke his leg when he did that.
He busted his head up real bad. He busted his head up real bad.
Yeah. Them bars, man, are tough.
Yep.
Jayron Williams was taken into custody and his vehicle was towed from the scene. Sometimes the smallest infractions lead to the biggest surprises. Should officers always check for warrants during routine stops? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Or who knows? You might be the next one getting pulled over.